Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone, I am Alice. We are very happy to be here with you today. How are you doing, David?
I am doing great, Alice, thank you. Today we are sharing a superpower that every single English learner wants to have.
Oh yes, today we are learning how to train your brain to speak in English. We want to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English step by step.
Exactly. Many beginners tell me, David, when I want to speak, my brain is too slow. I think in my native language first, then I translate the words, and then I try to speak.
Oh yes, it takes so much energy. It feels like your brain is running a giant marathon just to say a simple sentence. Today, we will change that with very easy steps.
Yes, we will. Before we train our brains, please take one quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support flows naturally into helping us create more slow, clear, and helpful lessons for you.
Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, let us look at our very first step, naming objects around you in English.
This is step number 1, and it is super easy. You do not need grammar rules for this. You just use your eyes. Wherever you are right now, look around the room.
Yes, if you are cooking in the kitchen right now, don't think your native word for the object. Look at it and say in your head, cup, plate, spoon, water.
Let us say those words slowly together. Cup, plate, spoon, water.
If you are driving your car or walking outside, you can look ahead and say car, tree, road, sky.
This is amazing because it builds a direct connection between the real object and the English word. Your native language is not invited to this party. Yes, keep your native language outside the door. Let us repeat this concept. Train your brain to name single objects in English. Window, chair, phone. Now let us look at step number 2, moving from single words to simple sentences. Once your brain can name objects easily, you can start making tiny baby sentences in your mind about your actions.
Oh, I love this step. We call it the story of my life game. You just describe what your body is doing right now using basic English.
For example, when you wake up in the morning, you can think to yourself, I am drinking water. I am making coffee. I am eating an apple.
Let us listen to that structure. I am making coffee. It is just the present continuous tense. Very simple. Let us repeat it. I am making coffee.
Or if you are walking to the bus stop, you can think, I am walking. The bus is coming. I am sitting down.
This is so powerful, David. You are not speaking aloud yet, so no one thinks you are talking to yourself. You are just having a quiet, private English conversation inside your own brain.
Exactly. It is completely safe and free. Let us repeat those simple action sentences slowly. I am drinking water. I am walking.
Now, let us look at step number 3. Stop using a bilingual dictionary. This is a major mistake beginners make. When they see a new English word, they immediately look for the translation in their native language.
Oh yes, if you do that, your brain stays dependent on your native language. Instead, you should start using an English-to-English dictionary for beginners.
Yes, a beginner's English dictionary uses very basic words to explain another word. For example, if you look up the word beautiful, it says very nice to look at.
That is so much better. Very nice to look at. Your brain stays inside the English zone. Let us repeat that phrase together. Very nice to look at.
This table makes the transition look so logical, David. Now let us look at step number 4. Talk to yourself aloud.
Speaking to yourself when you are alone at home is a magnificent way to practice. When you speak aloud, your mouth muscles and your brain start working together as a team.
For example, when I am preparing dinner alone in my kitchen, I like to talk like a chef on a television show. I say, okay, now I am cutting the tomatoes. Next, I am heating the pan. It smells very good.
Chef Alice, I would love to watch that show. But look at how simple those sentences are. I am cutting the tomatoes. It smells very good. Let us repeat them slowly. I am cutting the tomatoes. It smells very good.
Thank you, David. Now, step number 5 is about accepting that you cannot know every word. Many beginners stop speaking completely because they forget one single word. They get stuck and feel frustrated.
Yes, if you forget a word, do not panic and do not stop. Learn to describe the word using simple English that you already know.
For example, imagine you forget the English word for refrigerator. Instead of stopping, you can say, the big cold box in the kitchen where we keep food.
Wow, the big cold box in the kitchen. Every native speaker will understand exactly what you mean, and they will say, oh, the refrigerator. Then you learn the word naturally.
Exactly. Let us repeat that survival phrase together. The big cold box. Use simple words to explain big words.
Now, let us look at step number 6. Change one technology habit to English. This is an amazing trick because we look at our mobile phones hundreds of times every day.
Yes. Go to your phone settings and change the language from your native language to English.
At first, it might feel a little bit strange, but very soon, your brain will automatically learn daily words like settings, messages, call, share.
Let us say those technology words slowly. Settings, messages, call, share. Your brain will see them every day, so it will stop translating them.
Now, let us do a fun, interactive challenge with our global community to see how we can apply these brain training steps right now.
An interactive game. I am ready, and I know our listeners are ready too. David, give us situation number 1.
Situation number 1. You are sitting on a chair and you are holding a hot cup of tea. You want to train your brain to think in English using step number 2, simple action sentences. What do you say in your mind? I will give you 3 seconds to think. Alice, what is the best simple thought?
The answer is, I am drinking tea, or the tea is hot.
Yes, perfect. I am drinking tea. No translation needed.
Okay, situation number 2. You are talking to a friend in English and you forget the word for wallet. You want to explain what it is using simple words. How do you describe a wallet? What is the answer, listeners?
You can say, the small pocket thing where I keep my money and cards.
The thing where I keep my money. That is perfect brain training.
Situation number 3. You see a beautiful dog walking in the street. You want to practice step number 1, naming objects. What single word does your brain think instantly? Let us say it together.
Yes, just dog. Simple, clean, and direct. If you are starting to see how easy it is to think in English, please give this video a big thumbs up right now.
Yes, click the like button to show us your brain power is active. Now, David, let us do our final slow and clear repetition round. This is the moment to fix these key phrases deeply inside your memory. Please copy our voices aloud at home, everyone.
Cup.
Cup,
Car.
car.
I am making coffee.
I am making coffee.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
The bus is coming.
The bus is coming.
Very nice to look at.
Very nice to look at.
It smells very good.
It smells very good.
The big cold box in the kitchen.
The big cold box in the kitchen.
The thing where I keep my money.
The thing where I keep my money.
Settings.
Settings.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Spectacular job, everyone. Your brain is starting to accept English as a natural friend, not a difficult school subject.
Yes, you did an absolute maximum job today. Training your brain happens bit by bit every single day. Hang in there.
Well, everyone, we are at the end of our podcast episode today. We want to connect with you before we sign off.
Yes, we love reading your replies. Today, we have a very special question for you to practice thinking directly in English.
Look around you right now. Here is your homework question. What is one object you can see next to you right now?
Oh, that is a perfect question. Look to your left or look to your right and write the English word in the comment section below. For example, I see a book or I see a window.
We are very excited to read your comments. Please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this podcast with your friends who are practicing English.
Thank you so much for listening to us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Train your brain, think simple, and we will see you in our next lesson.